Welcome to TruView AIXI, a revolutionary automated X-ray machine designed for the high mix, low volume EMS companies out there. Easy to use, fully automated so that you can integrate with a loading conveyor belt or a magazine loader or board stacker. The boards come in automatically, full inspection of through-hole vias, BGAs, QFNs, pad voiding, LEDs, everything you need to be automatically X-rayed. You can program pass-fail on each one of those tests. And then the software automatically outputs a pass-fail to the unloading conveyor belt or your D-stack or a magazine loader, right? So super easy to use and readily available now for your high-mix manufacturing line. So for more information, give us a call today. Thanks for watching.